In this video, I will be showing you how to get $500 worth of Ethereum without having to put in an initial investment with this, because this is 100% free. Step 1. I'm going to show you how to finish simple and easy task in under 5 minutes. Step 2. I will be going to show you a very brand new website in which it will give you free $500 worth of Ethereum. And Step 3, which is the most important step. You are going to get paid. This method that I will be going to show you today is available worldwide. No matter what country you are in, you are going to earn free Ethereum with this. Stay tuned until the end so that you don't miss out on any important details. When you decide to start investing, the most important part of the process is educating yourself. This is Investor Boost. Subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to leave a comment below. The first that I'm going to do today is show you how to get paid with free Ethereum by just doing simple and easy tasks. The first thing that you are going to do right now is to go on Google and then search on this bar right here, Google Translate. This website is not the website that will give us free Ethereum, but it is one of the websites that we are going to utilize today. Basically, on this website, you can translate one language to another. So, we are going to do some translation and then get paid with Ethereum. You can get $400, $500, or even $1,000 worth of Ethereum with this method. So stay tuned until the end so that you don't miss out on any important details. You can see here the available languages that you can translate. For example, if you're going to translate from English to French, just select English on this side, then French on the other side. Then you are going to type the words that you want to translate. For example, you are going to type in here subscribe. Now you can see on this side that the translation for the word subscribes. This is a simple tool that we can use to get translation tasks done easily. Before we continue, please comment down below on what country you are in so that I can make more videos for your region to let you learn and earn a lot of money with the methods that I'm going to show you. If you want to enter our cash giveaways, smash the thumbs up and comment down below. The next website is the website that can pay us $500 worth of Ethereum for doing some simple tasks. The name of this website is Latium.com. You can see here that you can earn free cryptocurrencies for doing simple and easy tasks. You read it here. Latium Freelancing is an online jobs platform where users can work and hire using digital currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Register for Latium now and land your first gig, or to start receiving live bids from qualified freelancers in minutes. You can get paid directly on your Ethereum wallet. You can get paid on different payment methods like Latium, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies. How this website works is that you need to browse the available projects on the Latium platform and submit the bid, or simply select an instant hire project to start working immediately. Then complete the project to the employer specification and submit your work to Latium Contract Management System. Lastly, once your work has been reviewed, an approved payment will be released immediately to your Latium wallet. Right now, we are going to sign up for this website. It is super easy to do. I want you to click on this button right here, then input the information needed on this website. Once you're done registering for your account, I want you to click on the browse, and then you're going to land on this page where you can see different easy and quick tasks that you can do in order for you to earn free Ethereum. You can also see here the different category of tasks that you can do. But right now, we are going to focus on translation. Click on this translation and language option right here. Then it will going to filter the task that you are all about to translate. You can now see here different translation tasks that you can do in under 5 minutes. Then you can earn free Ethereum. You can earn $10 to $30 easily. Take a look at this right here. You can translate product details for $500 to $600. Product details are advertising of a product. You can also translate PDF scans from English to Japanese. For example, you are going to do this task right here. Click on the task, and then you are going to land on this page where you can place your bids. You can also see here the description about the project. This is very easy to do with the tool that I just showed you earlier. When you are going to translate this, maybe you're going to do some basic corrections. Before we continue, please comment down below on what country you are in, so that I can make more videos for your region to let you learn and earn a lot of money with the methods that I'm going to show you. If you want to enter our cash giveaways, smash the thumbs up and comment down below. On this section right here, you can place your bid. You can place a bid between $500 to $600 because that is the budget that they want to give to you. On the date right here, you must set it to the fastest possible. The faster you finish a project, the more money you can get from this website. In the message section, you can put it something like this: I can properly do the job fast and accurately. You can also put the translated language of this so that you can show them that you can do the job. After that, you can now click on the Place Bid button right here. That's how simple and easy to get free Ethereum with this website. You can literally do this under 5 minutes. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you when I see you.